Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Our project title is Tour Management System. Now we are going to discuss about our project abstract. The tour management system is the software developed to simplify the communication process between travel agency and tourist. The software would be operated by two users like admin and customers. The admin would be responsible for the adding the plan details, cab details and guide details. The admin only edit and delete all details. The user view the plan details and view the cab details. Next, to book the tour and cab. Finally, the user cancel the booking. The system also maintain the customer history so that can view them anytime. The system can thus reduce the complexity in maintaining the records. This is our project flow diagram. I have two options to log in this project. One admin, another one is customer. First, admin log in this project. First of all, admin add edit the plan details, then add edit the cab details, then add edit the guide details. Next, view the booking details. Next, customer login this project. The customer first of all view the plan details, then booking process. It means booking the cab and book the tour plan. Finally, cancel the booking details. Next, our project execution. This is admin login page. Give the username and password. And enter the captcha code. This is admin home page. First of all, admin add the plan details. This is add plan details page. This add the fill the all details. Click the submit button. The plan details is added. Click back. Next, edit the plan details. This is edit page. Click the plan, edit the details. Click the update button. The plan is updated. Click the delete button. The plan is deleted. Back. Next, add the cab details. This is add cab detail page. Fill the all details. Click the submit button. The cab detail is added. Click back. Then edit the cab details. Click the detail. The detail is edited. Then click the update button. The detail is updated. Then click the delete button. The detail is deleted. Next, add the guide details. Give the all details, then click the submit button. The guide details is added. Click the back button. Edit the details, guide details. Click the detail, then edit the details. Click the update button. The detail is updated. Then click the delete button. The detail is deleted. Finally, view the tour booking detail and cab booking detail. Log out the admin. Next, click the new user. The new user customer ID is auto generated. Give the all detail. Then click the submit button. The tour customer registration is successfully. Back. Click the user login. Give the username and password. click give the captcha code. This is user home page. The user first of all view the plan details. Next, booking the tour. Give the user ID and plan ID, number of person, status booking, submit. The booking is successfully back. Next, cab. Give the user ID, number of seat, click the cab ID, the vehicle status, booking, submit. The booking is successfully. Finally, cancel booking. Click the details, change the status, then submit. The booking is cancelled. Cab booking details cancelling. Click the status, change the booking status, then click the submit button. Finally, the cab booking is cancelled. Click back. Finally, log out. Thank you.